time to watch the sunrise. Sunrise is at 6:04. It is currently 6 o'clock, so I think it's starting to slowly peak up. All right, here she comes. So the sun set over there last night, and there it is rising. She's up already. Changed my mind. I saw a cafe. So we're gonna go back into Utah.
Can't tell anyone why you're wearing it. No, they acknowledge it.
I don't need gas, but I know these roads are gonna be in the middle of nowhere, so I'm just gonna top it off while I can.
The roads are empty. Check this out.
To enter the town Austin, Nevada. Then I'm gonna go to Spencer Hot Springs. I'm 15 minutes outside, so hopefully it's hot. Go down one of these side dirt roads. But in 13 minutes, 5 miles, there should be hot springs. perfectly safe, don't worry. Alright, a rare thing we've seen today, but I see a few cars up ahead, so I think I found the springs. Alright, it stopped raining for the most part. I'm gonna go back to the hot spring. Oh, that feels nice. It does feel a bit slimy in here, but it's a good slimy. This is what the rest of the view looks like. As predicted, I stayed longer than I should have. I'm gonna get rid of one of my stops. I was gonna go to a lake nearby, but that's like 45 minutes away. So I'm gonna keep driving, hit the highway, hit up the Sand Mountain recreational area. Just a bunch of mountains of sand, and hopefully I can catch it with good lighting. And then I'm gonna drive to Fallon, Nevada, which in total is like 2 hours from here. So it's 6:30 now. Got stuck, holy shit. This was not the route that I took. Oh, there's the road. Okay, I think like that's the road I took to go down, wasn't it? Nah, I took a left. Oh, and it's a closed off fence. Mother. Aha. Ta-da! Look at the back of my car. I'm telling you, I almost got stuck. All right, onward. So I'm on Highway 50 right now, which I was reading earlier is the loneliest road in America. So let's see how many cars I come across. There's one. Cars parked do not count for the car count. Alright, just a vast emptiness. only seen 7 cars.
Number 13.
I think that's 15. I think. I'll check the last number.
I'm so scared of getting older. I'm only good at being young. I don't wanna go to LA anymore. I think I'm gonna stay.
It's so quiet out here. Woo! There's a big group of people up here. I don't want to bother them. I can't really reach out there with my Honda Civic. All those people up there, though. No. Not getting stuck again. Alright, I'm gonna back up to the gravel. I figured out what that noise was. I have to get that fixed. That's gonna be hitting the ground the entire time. Alright, it's about to rain on this sand mountain right now. There's people up there. I really want to go up there, but there's something stuck under my car now. I don't know where I'm going. This will be here tomorrow. I think I might do this tomorrow. Fuck. What else can I do? So sketchy. I have 30 minutes of driving to Fallon, and I have to drag that the entire time. There's nothing I could do. I don't hear it anymore. I got to the pavement. Oh, a rabbit. Maybe it's still hanging there. It's just too low over there. That could be what it is. But it is raining, and I've seen some lightning, and it's gonna be some cool visuals. See what I mean? It's scraping the bottom. God damn it.
How can I help you?
Hi, I was wondering if you had a room available tonight.
Let me check here. Hi.
Alright, got myself a hotel. I'm gonna figure out food afterwards. But I don't seem to be hearing that noise anymore. I think it's just when I'm on these dirt roads and it's really close to the ground. I still might go see. There it is.
What brings you to town?
I live in Nashville now, and just doing a whole little music tour, and that's where I ended up right now. I'm not playing in the area, but I'm on the way to Lake Tahoe.
That's what's up.
Yeah. Food near me. Can I do hot tea?
Hot tea?
What tea bags?
I got green, I got lemon.